Recording.
Hey guys, this is Sean White. I'm part of Designs Bikes. Basically, it's a bike check for my GT Interceptor. Custom grips, and basically I'll start from the front and work my way to the back. So first of all, here I have these are just on the rim, just normal. Just the normal GT rims, GT racing wheels, and then Diamondback thingy, whatever that's called. Obviously, where my front brake was GT stem, GT headset. Actually, no, that is a Mongoose headset. GT frame, obviously, GT forks.
What frame is it?
GT Interceptor, and then I've just got some VIP 565 metal pedals, 3-piece crank, which is, I believe, can't remember the make, sorry guys, and then basically GT seat, GT, whatever you call that thing.
Seat clamp.
Seat clamp. Tektro, metal reinforced brake and cable, and yeah, and then obviously the grips, Federal grips, shout out, very good, and then yeah, basically, and of course GT tiny handlebars, but they're pretty good for riding, and yeah, that's been my bike check, so yeah.
Sean, what are you gonna customise about it?
Oh yeah, so basically guys, my dad's gonna do a paint job, all red, like all of it red, but I'm gonna keep obviously the bars. Actually no, guys, what I'm thinking of, I might having all of it black, and then white rims. But I don't know. I'll decide then. It's probably going to be red, and it's probably going to be like Tom Dugan's bike because he's my favourite rider. And then of course Tom, which is recording. So hello.
Hello. Well, I don't even think of it.
He's gonna design his bike like Harry Mays, his favourite rider. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, rate, of course, and then until next time, see ya.
And guys, yeah, this is going on my channel. I don't know what the hell. Yeah, this is going on my channel. This is just going to be my and Sean's channel. And we are part of Desire BMX. And I will eventually make a channel about that. But, yep, when I can be asked, really. And I don't know where Sean's gone. So anyway, guys, I guess I'll see you next time. Bye. There he is.